Let me show you one more use case of our extension. For example, you need to do some simple theme customization. For example, you need to add some extra text to the add to cart button. So we have a custom theme with this template of add to cart, and we need to add some content here. So let's put like span new text, right? And we need to be available on the website. Of course, there can be a page cache, but let's add some test parameter to skip it. No, because we have enabled HTML modifications and changes are not available directly. So what we need to do is to deploy the static content. But what if we run regular static content deployment? As you know, the website will be down for 1-2 minutes. So this way you can use a static our module. You use the same command Magefan downtime deployment, but with minus s parameter. It will deploy only the static content, or you can use -d. It will deploy only the dependency injections. So let's run the -s. It will go through the same process, create a separate folder with Magento files, perform the deployment in this folder, and then copy back all the required files. So it's creating this folder right now. Okay, it check if need to pull some new code from the Git, because this option is enabled in the admin panel. And then it will start to deploy the static content. It also, in this test folder, is also an amount. I will use the website to just show that it works without any interruptions. In this temporary folder, it also unmount all Magento caches like Varnish or Redis, so it will not affect the live website. So we can add a product. Let's refresh the page with get parameter to make sure that we skip page cache and ask Magento to regenerate the page. And yes, of course, we need to wait until Magento comments are done. Okay, it was done. It's deleting all folder. Yeah, all is done. Let's refresh the page and see. Okay, let's remove these get parameters. Just go to the regular page. Yeah, and what we see a new text, and Magento was deployed without downtime in maintenance mode, and it's great.